Guys, I'm gonna start my porch refresh by planting my planters I recently picked up from Amazon. So I have that one and that one, and I'm currently washing my under rug, and then I'm gonna put on my new one. I need to clean my door. I need to clean the porch. Like the bottom here, there's like bird poop and stuff. It's gross. But before I do my flower boxes, I'm going to do these. So I already filled them up with dirt. And every year I love to use geraniums and creeping Jenny. And I wanted to get sweet potato vines for these, but they actually didn't have them out yet. I need to redust this. This is kind of dusty. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start planting these. I'm so excited. I got a darker pink, like a coral pink, and light pink and white. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to planting.
Slowing down to get their sleep. They've had enough bringing life to others.
Next, I wanted to share this real quick. My husband made this adorable brick path leading up from the front trellis area there, our little arbor, and then it goes all the way to the middle here. So I need to add more mulch, clean this area up. My sweet corgi always messes it up. She's an inside-outside doggy. But anyways, I love this. It leads right up to the front. I recently planted some of these hydrangeas. So these are Firelight Tidbit hydrangeas, so they don't get very big. They're dwarf size. They'll only get about 2 to 3 feet tall at the highest. And then I planted some of these Coral Bell heucheras in front of it. So these give off, first they're like a white, and then they turn to a pink maroon. So I thought it'd be pretty to put these berry smoothie heucheras, and this one is called Paris. So it has the maroon flowers that come out of it. I just thought those layered together will look really good. And I ordered these online, so they were kind of small, but you can see they're already starting to get little blooms on them. I just love hydrangeas. They're my absolute favorite flower. So I think these will look so much better framing the front of my house instead of my hostas, because I had huge hostas up here and they would always get burned by the end of the summer. And then over here I've got my huge peony bush. I went ahead and planted another peony bush on the other side, but it's smaller. Also guys, I just ordered some new pillows for our swing here, and I need to touch up the black paint on here. These are old pillows I got from the Target dollar spot like 3 years ago or something. So I just got some new pillows I'm gonna be replacing that with, and like I said, I wanna touch up the paint. And I did touch up all these pillars here. So these were getting gross, so I touched up all those with a really white paint, and it looks really good compared to how it used to look. And I did the same with our door. I painted all the black and the white, so it just cleaned up the area so good. Alright, so here I'm taking off these pillows. I have to tie them behind the chair because we get crazy wind where I live. We have 2 open fields right next to us. And then I went ahead and started wiping down this little swing. Funny thing about this swing is I grew up with it. I actually have a picture of when I was really little and I was sleeping on it. This used to be my mom's and she gave it to me. It was a maroon color, but I just painted it black, and my husband hung it with this rope on the side. And I just love it up here. And next, I just went ahead and swept the porch really good. So I don't know if the video is going to pick up on it, but we have lots of bird poop all over our porch. So I'm going to just put soap down, and then I'm going to spray it with my hose to really give it a good clean. Now this was funny. When I saw my daughter come up to the door, I was like, you know what she's gonna do? She's gonna get her boots and she's gonna come out here and splash. And that's exactly what she did. As you can see here, she had her little rain boots and decided to splash around up here. I just absolutely love how clean I was able to get my porch by doing this. It ended up looking so much better when it was all done.
Streams are slowing down to get there.
Next, I went ahead and gave my front door a really good cleaning. Between my dog, my cats, and my kids, this door needed a good cleaning. It was really smudged.
Else to seek, but your smile in the morning hours.
And then I use this watering can every day on my flowers, and I also like to leave it out for decoration, and it's the Hearth and Hand watering can from Target. Next, I have these 2 pillows from Walmart. I can link those down below if I can find the link. They're just 2 outdoor pillows, and here I was just checking the swing to make sure it wasn't wet. But it was all dry, and I kind of messed with the pattern on how I wanted it to sit. I'll also be linking these 2 planters by my door as well if you're interested. They're from Amazon. Once this rug was all cleaned and dried, I laid it down. This is actually from Aldi, just one of those undermats. And then on top, I laid my brand new mat from Target, and I just love the bright colors. That's why I wanted to put bright flowers in my planter boxes right next to it. And I just think that they complement each other so much and give that pop of color that my porch needs. And then here's a little before and after shot of my beautiful window boxes. The very next day, I picked up all these geraniums, this chartreuse green vine, some of these spiller white flowers that I put in between. They're supposed to spill over the flower box, but I'm just so happy with how this came out. I wanted to stick with just white and greens for these window boxes, and they match my little hanging basket on my front door so well. I actually didn't get a shot of it, but it's from Target a couple years ago. But it's just a little woven basket with white flowers hanging from it, and they kind of look like geraniums. So yeah, I did it on this window box as well, and that is everything for my porch refresh. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.